Hello and welcome back. My name is Andrei,
And I'm Dominika.
and we're back again with another reaction to
Los Tres with Pajaros de Fuego.
Firebirds,
Yes.
straight from Chile.
Straight from Chile, that's correct. We done two of their
Yeah.
songs already, and I remember they're absolutely amazing. So I'm very, and we actually done one from the unplugged session, and this one is unplugged as well version of the song. So I'm very curious to check it out. I have to say thank you to Fernando. So thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
For keeping Chilean music alive on our channel, which we absolutely enjoy.
That's true. And right before we put the song now to listen, we just been on Google and we travel a bit to Chile. We see a bit Santiago. We see some beautiful, colorful houses.
Yes, that's
we see everything and say, "Oh my God! If I was living there, it's so beautiful. The mountains, the snow you have, the landscape. It's
that's true.
Take your breath away."
Yes. So we already in the Chilean.
I'm
mood.
in the mood. Yes. Are you ready now?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Se vuelven contra mí, me secan y me encienden, negándome a seguir. Vacío, rodeado, llorando por un siglo. Vacío, rodeado, llorando por un siglo. Los templos que vomitan, los rezos del dolor, hacen reír al cielo y al mal que hay en ti, Señor. Vacío.
Oh man, I love it more and more. The more he sings, the more the music goes. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I almost hardly can contain myself. It's so beautiful. Everything about it. I love the unplugged session. This is I
Feels so special.
Yes, that's correct. Very intimate, and that's the event I would like to probably be to go to see Los Tres and playing unplugged MTV Unplugged in 1995.
You know, we listen a lot of kind of rock, English mainly. But when I hear this kind of Spanish, oh man, I just have something in it.
Yes.
And here this blend of rock with the Chilean, a bit, feel like the sound, and I don't
also
know.
get there's a little bit of jazz in it, adding. I don't know if it's a double bass is adding to it, but you know, it's so rich. It's delicate, but so rich. It kind of the moment they started, my body started to react to it, and I'm thinking if there is some Latin blood in my Slavic blood somewhere. I don't
I'll
know.
give you some.
You give me some Latin blood. It's definitely, I don't know. It's straight away my heart is smiling when I listen to it, and I have a big request. Probably it's yeah, it's a lot to ask, but if someone could put, there is a meaning. We did read about the song. We done some translate the lyrics, but I'm fully aware that it kind of doesn't give you this automatic translation. Doesn't give you the full kind of meaning, a deep meaning of the song. If someone could put in the comments, I would really appreciate if there is a meaning to it, and I would really love to.
I want to say I love so much his voice. It's so warm and so
Yes, yes.
I even see myself listening this one in headphones, walking nighttime in Santiago de Chile on the street, exploring.
Oh, man,
I see
that
the
would be so
lights and
cool.
all that, and you
Yeah.
listen. This it's so beautiful. And just you can close your eyes and you're just there in a way.
Can I come?
Yeah, you're with me.
Okay.
We're going to Chile.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Pack-
Oh my God,
pack
it's
the
so
bag.
beautiful. Honestly,
Wow.
it's really taking you on a journey.
Yes, that's true.
Ready for some more?
For sure.
Ni el mal que hay en ti, Señor, vacío, rodeado, llorando por un siglo. Vacío, rodeado, llorando por un siglo. Vacío, rodeado, llorando. Vacío, rodeado, llorando por un siglo.
Oh man, this was so beautiful. The sound and
Yeah, that's the end of that instrumental part was so incredible. Wow, really beautiful. You know what we doing the songs we're doing now, for quite some time, the reaction, and we quite often we say that if there was a time machine invented, that I would like to be taking me to that date. And I think I'm gonna add this day, 14th of September 1995, to the list of the time machines when I'm gonna travel. Once the time machine is gonna be invented and come in my
you are.
direction. So yeah, this is another date I have to add, going to Miami Beach in Florida and to listen some Lost Stress
That
Unplugged.
was so beautiful.
It
Honestly,
was so truly beautiful and touching. Throughout the whole song, I couldn't stop smiling because the sound kind of put me in such a beautiful mood.
well, I just want to say for people who are with us for quite a while, we kind of have a weakness for the Spanish kind of
Latin
yeah.
music.
Well,
Yeah.
it's just have something so special. It's about it. You know,
It hits you different.
that's true.
I feel that
It's really hard to describe why we
yeah.
love it so much, but we just love
we
it
don't
so much.
even know sometimes
Yeah,
why we love it so much.
You
It's-
just
but it-
connect so easy with it.
yes,
That's the
yes.
thing.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, I'm so happy because I wish more people discover because there is such a beautiful band and they definitely
They're
deserve.
very loved in Chile. We know
Mhm.
we learned that throughout the previous reaction. They're very, very loved in Chile. So they should be. And
That was so
I like you
beautiful.
said, I wish it was they were more famous
Mm.
around the world because they definitely deserve beautiful, beautiful song. I did enjoy so much. I don't.
Firebirds.
Wow.
All right. Hope you enjoy our reaction and see you again next time. Have a lovely day and all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye for now.